How to fix emergency call only, no service, no SIM card problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the condition where the phone says emergency calls only with no services and no SIM card problem. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1, that is to restart your phone. So first, simply restart your phone. It sounds simple, but restarting resets your network connection and can often fix temporary SIM or signal glitches. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the SIM card. So here you can physically remove the SIM card and check if it's placed correctly. And here with that, you can gently clean it with a soft cloth and reinsert it properly. And if your phone has dual SIM slots, you can try inserting it into the other slot to check if the issue is with the same port. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to turn on airplane mode on and off. So simply swipe down from the top to open the quick settings panel, and here simply turn on the airplane mode on for about 10 seconds. And here, once you're done with it, simply turn it off again, and this will refresh your mobile network connection. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to manually select the network. So simply go to the settings, and from here you simply have to scroll down and tap on connection. And now here in this section, simply select the data uses, and here you can select the network operators and turn off select automatically and manually choose your carrier from the list. And this will help your phone to reconnect to your network provider. And here with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to check the SIM status. So here simply open the settings app again, and now here just tap on about phone. And with that, simply scroll down and tap on the status information if you found it here. Otherwise, you can go back and directly tap on the search bar and simply search for the SIM card status. So here just tap on the SIM status, and here if it says disconnected or not available, then your SIM might be damaged. So here you can try it in another phone to confirm. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reset the network settings. So here simply go to the settings again, and from here simply scroll down and tap on connection and sharing. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and search for reset network setting option. So as of right now, I'm not finding it. So here, you simply have to tap on this option that says reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And now here in this section, just tap on reset settings at the bottom, and this will reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. But don't worry, it won't delete your files. And with that, moving forward to the step 7, that is to contact your carrier. So if none of this method works, then you can contact your mobile carrier or visit a center service, and they can check if your SIM is deactivated or needs a replacement. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.